Where are we going, Jasmine?
We are on our way to the wedding tasting. We made it to the venue. We're so excited. We're just gonna go check in and get our hotel room. We are at the resort. I definitely should have brought my tripod because I want to like do a little get ready with me, but this might actually work. I think that works. I'm gonna get changed because I don't want to wear this, and I definitely can't wear like these pants, but we just popped some champagne. I'm gonna do something with my hair too. I don't know, maybe like curl it, or it's already very curly. I don't know how this happened, but I don't know, maybe I'll straighten it. I don't really know. Maybe I'll leave it. No, it needs to have something.